That is handsome. And all the way to Robinson. Hold the pose and a lovely way to get off the mark. Chipped away, hasn't got anything on that. Finds the safe hands. Jordan Cox as easy as you'd like. Well, England, it's all going their way at the moment.
Oh, there's nothing better as a bowler, is there? Rock up with your first ball, you put it on the money, it's full, it's cramping Robinson. He's just tried to scoop it, really. Sort of a half-hearted shot, and then all he's done is chip it up in the air to Cox, who takes a very comfortable catch.
Well, that's not half bad either. Russian Ravinder on the attack, right back. Oh, foot first time is good. That is hit like a tracer ball at the side. Well, that's not half bad, is it? It is all action here at Hagley. Back-to-back boundaries, and a wicket either side of them.
It's been impressive for New Zealand pride and cast, regardless of whose whites or in colours. It's a full ball, it slides across and invites the drive. It's a lovely edge, and that man does not drop that.
That's what it's been, the tail of the over. That just gives him a little gift on the hip for Seifert. Good timing down the ground. Lovely strike from Chapman. Is that the blow that gets his innings going? Good through ball. Big chase for the captain, he will haul it in. Nice just power. Stand and deliver from Seifert. This one right leg side, picks the gap between the two fielders.
Slow ball from Curran, and they've waited on that. And he's dragged it through Cal for 4. Oh, Mark Chapman. How about that? That is Chappie to a tee, that. Don't worry about that. That's in the creek out the back. If it hasn't taken a window out of the team bus. Oh, full toss. And that's a no ball as well. 6 and a free hit. That is bonus stuff for New Zealand. Bonus delivery is just going to give them opportunities. And that is an opportunity for England that's taken by Cox.
Gotcha. That is high in the night sky. Cox settling underneath it. Takes it. He has been excellent in the deep so far.
Gotcha.
That's hanging in the night sky, charging in. And he's grabbed it. Tom Banton. That brilliant spell continues. They're trying to get after him and just can't. Through to down the ground, Daryl Mitchell. Swung away hard, leg side, he's picked the man out, straight at him. Cannot believe that, Daryl Mitchell. Picks the gap once again, and it's another boundary for Santner. Right execution, puts that on the bank, does Mitch Santner. Gets that one too, Mitch Santner, back to back. Oh no, that's some gimmies as well, we've been talking about. Another timing down the ground. Pitched up, clipped away.
Off centre again. And that is over the rope with assistance from Benton. Stepped across again to Santner. 3 men deep in the leg sides. Waiting for that from Neesham. And taken. They've been good in the field. Benton takes another. Adil Rashid has another wicket in T20 internationals. Santner is gone. Catch taken by Sam Curran. Rashid finishes with 3. Jamison manages to work it into the leg side and it bounces away from Jordan Cox. Gee, that went on, didn't it? Oh, there's a clean strike from Henry, but straight into the hands. Another one down. Bethel takes the catch. Henry has to go. It's a first baller for him. Oh, there's another. There's another. Tuffy couldn't get through the shot. Brook was there. It seemed to take an eon to get to him, but get to him it did. And New Zealand lose another. In fact, that's the last. And with that, for the first time in T20 internationals, or the second time should I say, New Zealand lose all 10 wickets to catches.